table into a much smaller coffee table. The ends fold inwards and are stored within the body of the main table, which is then lowered or raised by pulling on the lever underneath and applying either upwards or downwards pressure. It adjusts between 30 and 11 inches off the ground. When it comes time to extend it again, simply pull out the ends, unfold the surface panels, and slot it all together. The table can be moved with ease, no matter which stage it's at. And depending on the number of people, one or both ends can be extended or hidden away. It's a very simple design that increases functionality for use in multiple different occasions, seating anywhere from 1 to 8 people around it. Next, we have the Murphy Sofa Stratus. When it comes time to sleep, simply remove the cushions and pull the bed down from against the wall. If you often use your bedroom as a living space during the day, or if you want an extra bed for when guests stay over, this design could be for you. Forget about making the bed, just push it back up against the wall to regain your living space. An extendable coffee and dining table serves as a support for the end of the bed, making maximum use of every part of the design. If you have the room, the Murphy bed can be included as part of a larger sofa suite. The Mini Scatola is a bench that can be packed down into a singular box seat. Seat panels are stored inside the box itself. When combined with an extendable table that uses the same concept, it can free up a lot of floor space. You can even use the box as a side table if you prefer. Setup is fast and foolproof, as the furniture slides outwards effortlessly. Fully extended, it fits up to 5 people per bench. The materials used are very durable and available in black or white to suit your preference. Why not use the Scatola as a side table in your living room until you have guests over? The mechanism is very reliable and suitable for prolonged use. A soft padding provides a comfortable place to sit. If you need extra beds for visitors to stay over, the Dormeyer Sofa Bunk Bed has got your back. The comfy couch transforms into a bunk bed that can fit 2 adults. The seat base pulls out and the whole system raises up. It is locked into position using a key for safety and stability. A built-in ladder and support guards mean both bunks are ready to sleep on almost instantly. It takes less than a minute to transform the sofa into its bunk bed form, and vice versa. It's great if you or your children have regular sleepovers, or just handy to have on special occasions for family gatherings. You don't need much strength to lift the metal frame out of the sofa's base, as the system is spring-loaded and very straightforward to assemble or disassemble quickly. Moving parts are easily manipulated and locked into place. As a standalone sofa, it can comfortably seat up to 3 adults. The following design from Italy, the Tumide fold-away bed, combines with a fluffy sofa for a swift conversion between lounge and bedroom areas. By doing away with a more conventional, heavy sofa frame and replacing it with a so-called fluffy sofa, you can save time and energy. The bed is pulled down from the wall on a servo-assisted frame, meaning it uses hydraulics to ensure it lowers safely when unassisted. This combination is very practical, modern, and suitable for a small apartment. The sofa parts are made from high-quality Italian material and have a leather handle to make moving them hassle-free. Unlike a normal sofa, these can be folded to support your back and suit your comfort needs. Here's a smart 3-in-1 furniture option from Flat Studio in Moldova. A fold-out table combines with plenty of storage areas in the form of shelves, overhead cabinets, and a wardrobe. Flat Studio makes all of their products with the aim of being simple, reliable, and of high quality. A push-to-open feature makes opening drawers easier and more fun. A double bed is housed in the center of the unit and is pulled out along with its foldable frame and straps to keep it in place. The fold-down side table and light installations are super convenient, especially if you like to read or keep things close at hand at night or in the morning. Putting the bed back is a breeze too. Next is a clever table idea from Vox. Avoid clutter by using the storage space in the middle of the table, or you can use it to hold a centerpiece. Fold-out arms and a basic slot design mean you can extend the table at both ends too. Drawers can be removed and rotated for ease of use and a change in style. Make business meetings or family gatherings more convenient and fun with Vox's Big Table. The same company also makes a poster bed and bookcase. If you're the type of person whose home life revolves around their bed, why not have everything you need within an arm's reach? Pouches and shelves are great for storing toys and baby items for mothers, and of course plenty of books. Under the Easy Lift mattress, there is enough room to keep bed sheets and blankets, while you can grab extra pillows from the area behind the headrest. This design is excellent for families and keeps your things organized even when things get a little busy in the mornings. Moving on, if you have limited space, then stairs and chairs can tend to get in the way and make moving around quite awkward. One designer from Australia is on a mission to eliminate this problem. He has created a folding stair system made out of bamboo, a material widely used in construction because of its strength. The movable stairs are the brainchild of industrial designer Zev Bianchi. He specializes in foldable furniture, making chairs as well as stairs. With space saving in mind, his designs are straightforward to use and install in homes. Still in early production, and Zev's primary focus at the moment, the stairs could become a regular feature of flats and apartments in the near future. The lightweight frame can be carried by one person and attaches to the wall on one side. Then, it's just a case of gently pulling on the other side of the frame to bring the stairs into position. Bianchi spends hours in his workshop perfecting creations which are able to fold, thanks to kerf cutting. This involves making many cuts in a piece of wood to give it flexibility. When done correctly, the material can bend and flex while still maintaining enough strength to support a human's weight. You don't need any special tools to set up the chair because of the intelligent design that involves strategic cutting and support beams. When you're not using a foldable chair, you can hang it out of the way on a wall hook. Doesn't look too bad either. Remember when we mentioned redesigning toilets in the intro of this video? Well, here's one idea to free up space. It's the hide-a-loo system. Emerging from the wall of a wet room or from under the kitchen sink cabinet in a tiny bathroom, the hide-a-loo is a brilliant innovation that frees up a great deal of space. Space that could otherwise be used for showering or brushing your teeth, without having to twist your body to avoid the loo. The toilet is fully functional, of course, and safe enough to support an average person's weight. When you're done with it, push one button to flush, pull a handle to release the catch, and then hide the loo back in its original stored position. And of course, don't forget to wash your hands, or to tell guests how they can access the toilet. That way, you'll avoid any potential mishaps. Here's a pleasantly simple design that would not look out of place in a dorm room or basement. A single bed with headrest folds out from against the wall, and a table extends and folds out from within a study desk. It's a very convenient and fast transformation, taking less than a minute to set up and store. No tools required, and the mechanisms are pretty straightforward. It seems perfect for sleepy teens who study between the occasional meal and want to at least appear organized. Next is the swivel fold-away bed. The key difference here obviously being the swivel design, rather than the bed lowering or folding down like many others. The swivel motion is very smooth, and it means the reverse side of the bed can be used as a bookcase or extra shelving. The Cali board by Clay transforms from a shelf or desk to a bed with storage underneath. When the bed folds out, the board remains level and upright so all of your stuff won't fall. Then when you wake up and put the bed back, you can instantly pick up where you left off. Very smart. Our next entry is a similar concept to the previous one and comes from the same designer, Simone Areta. However, rather than a single bed and shelf, this double bed transforms into a sofa. It would fit nicely in a studio flat or any apartment as a spare bed. And finally, this stylish ITO fold-away bed can sleep two people and then be turned into a sofa and bookshelf. That's right, it is a combination of the previous two designs and is also from the same creator. This unit features a fold-down desk and shelf for maximum convenience too. Now that's how you make the most of your cramped living quarters. Were you surprised by some of the innovative designs on this list? Which ones would be a welcome addition to your home? Give us your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by leaving a like. You can also subscribe to our channel for more interesting and creative content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll be back with some more ingenious ideas soon.